Angelica sits on a rowboat. Jack sits across from her, paddling toward a remote island.
I hate you.
The bloke who saved your life.
The years I possess, stolen from my own father.
I only helped Blackbeard do what any father should have done.
You are cruel and ignorant.
Later, Jack drops her onto the sand.
One pistol, one shot.
He tosses it beside her.
To kill myself before I starve?
There's no trusting you, love. Besides, this is a well-traveled trade route. You can signal a passing ship. Or you can just bite the proverbial bullet, as it were.
He walks off.
And how will I get free of these bonds?
You broke free of your bonds half an hour ago, waiting for the precise moment to pounce.
Turning back, he catches a stick being swung by Angelica.
Admit it, Jack. You still love me.
If you had a sister and a dog, I'd choose the dog.
He keeps walking.
Treasure! There is a chest with jewels! Jewels with the power to rule the wind and tide!
You're making that up.
Wait,
She grabs it and he faces her.
I am with child. Yours.
I don't recall that we ever had...
You were drunk!
I've actually never been that drunk.
Wait! There is something I want to say to you. Something I wanted to say from the moment we first met.
Go on, then.
I love you.
He leans in to hold her.
As do I. Always have. Always will.
She closes her eyes and their lips draw together for a kiss.
I gotta go.
Jack!
He hurries back to his rowboat.
This is not over! Jack!
She turns and runs off as he rolls inside the boat and paddles away from the island. He flinches.
Missed!
Our view floats away from the white sand shore of the tiny desert